Chapter 14, Sample Problem Number 2. A waterproof siren is emitting sound at a single frequency. The siren is dropped from the air into water. Is the wavelength of the waves produced by the siren in the water greater than, or less than, or equal to the wavelength of the waves produced by the siren in the air? Our first thing to note is that F is unchanged. Why? Because the siren is still the siren. The waves are being generated by the oscillations of the siren, and that is not changed. On the other hand, we also have that V of speed, the speed of sound in water, is about something like 4 times the speed of sound in air. And then finally, the connector is that for both cases, the wave speed is lambda over the period, or lambda f. So whatever happens to V is the same thing that will happen to lambda, because they are proportional only with a constant, since the f is never changing. So when we make V larger, then we must also be making lambda larger. So the wavelengths in the water are greater than the wavelengths in the air.